Good day, everyone. When I was first invited to join the Seagull Alliance, I was hesitant, knowing that the amount to be invested is quite big. And I also asked myself, am I becoming too greedy and not be content with what I have at present? Is this against my spiritual standpoint? And of course, I also fear of falling prey to another scam. But because there are still personal projects that I want to achieve for myself and for my family and my advocacies, I want to fund my advocacies for the cancer patients like me. Thus, I yield to the voice of the risk taker inside me. And I also trusted the people who invited me. I joined last November 2025 with an investment of 1,000 US dollars. And because I was so eager for my friends to also take advantage of the promising investment offer, I invited them and they trusted my judgment. So they became a part of the project and I became a level 1 manager in less than a month from joining the League of Seagull. Before this year ends, I promise to myself I will buy a new and bigger smart TV for my family to enjoy. My first withdrawal in the amount of 55,869 pesos will be a big help in fulfilling this dream. Withdrawing my gains from Riscoin to CoinsPH to GCash account was convenient. I did not experience system lag and unreasonable difficulties. Thank you to the League of Seagull through Sir Martin Collins for this opportunity for me for a better life and my family. I know the friends and family members who joined with me in this project will soon reap also their own gains. I am also grateful to Ate Rene and Ma'am Jo who paved the way for me to join the Alliance. And above all, I give the honor and praise to our Almighty God who made all these things possible.